everyone, welcome back to my new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you a problem which I was facing, and I'll let you the solution how I solved the problem. Actually, what was happening? I had a hard disk. It was an external hard disk, and I was unable to initialize it. And as you can see, it is saying unknown, and it was not allocated. The space was not allocated in the my PC, so I was unable to see its partition. Even if you see it is disk 1, but if I will open my folder, if as you can see, if I will open my folder, you can see only disk C and disk D were visible. So I was unable to see it on the PC part as well. So I was, and even when I try to initialize it, if you can see, if I will click on it and if I will perform rescan this or maybe create VHD, what was happening that I was getting this data redundancy check error. So then I tried a lot of things. I tried paid software, I tried unpaid software. So the thing was that there are some of the good paid software. So I'm not doing any promotion or anything for the apps, but there are some genuine good paid softwares, and there are some of the free softwares which are available, but I wasn't able to find any good free software which was actually working for my problem. So I'll show you some of the softwares which did work for me, and also I'll let you know which one can you can use. So if you're having the same problem, I am pretty sure you know the situation that you have a lot of data stored for your like maybe old photos, memories, and you had it all gone. Okay, so the first software which we have, that is disk roll over here. So disk roll recovery software is there. So I would suggest this is a good software. I tried it and it really like recovered the parts which were working, and it really recovered the data. But there is a limit to this for the free version. For the free version, I guess you can only recover around 500 MB, and I know that is like not what you want. Like 500 MB, no one have data that is only for 500. Maybe you have 1 GB, 2 GB, or maybe 100 GB of the data. In my case, I was having 360 GB data, so I had to take the pro. So for the pro, if you go to the pro section, it is bit costly, I would say, for the price, but if you can pay for it, you can go for it. So for the pro, it has 3000, and the enterprise it has this around approx 46,000. So I was not, so that's why I didn't buy it. I was trying to find some free softwares, but this did work, and it also showed that my disk is not entirely corrupted. It has some of the free, like it has some of the parts which can be still recovered. So after that, I found this ease US data recovery software, and this is really good. I mean, this one was also good, and in the free tier, I would say in the free tier, you get some limited space as well in this one for the recovery. But for the pro, for Windows, if you go for the pro, so as you can see in the free tier, they give little bit. I guess also I guess 500 MB or maybe somewhere around it. But if you want to recover a large data, you have to buy it, and they have this 1 month plan for 1 month plan, 1 year plan. Even they have this educational plan for for students. If you are a student, you can go for this if you can pay for it, and if you are having the same situation as I'm having. Okay, so this was also software. Then I ran into a random software, that is this test disk, and test disk was supposed to work, but in my case, it was just doing the processing, and I wasn't able to get any data. And usually, if you go on to the photos and all, it is mostly you have to control it from the command terminal, and you have to control it from the terminal, and it doesn't have any fancy UI or anything. So if you want to recover the data, somewhere as you can say, if you want to recover the data and you are not that tech savvy person, I won't recommend this for you, but you can try this as well. I mean, maybe it can work for you, but it didn't work for me. And after that, after a lot of research, a lot of scrolling, a lot of Googling, I finally found a software that is the Speed Data Recovery Pro. So it is mentioned pro, but in my case, I didn't get any option to buy or anything, so I simply downloaded it, and it didn't ask me for anything. So I've already downloaded it, so I won't be downloading it again. So in my case, it didn't ask for any money, so I'll show you how it was working. So as you can see, I'll just show you how it was working. So here is the software speed data recovery, and it will process the information first. So I'll show you. So first it is processing the information, and okay, so as you can see, it has scanned the disk, and you can see here is this one TB storage which I had, and this disk was corrupted, so I wanted to retrieve this. So what you have to do is you can click on it, then you can click on scan, so it will be searching for the lost files which it has. So as you can see, it has like it will scan through your entire files, and it will take some time, but it will simply, as you can see, I was getting my photos back and I was getting my videos back. So yeah, it was working for me. So in this case, after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on this image, then you have to click on recover, then you have to select the source where you want to recover, and after that it will simply get recovered. So this software actually worked for me, and it saved a lot of data for me. I mean, I was having a lot of data which in my hard disk, in my external hard disk, and I, for 1 second, I thought it is all gone, but thanks to the software, it is not gone. I almost recovered around 250 GB of the data, and rest there were some data which I didn't want it, so I didn't recover them. So this was all about this video, and I hope if this helps you, please do comment in the comment section and let me know if you are having the similar kind of situation of data loss and something. So I'm pretty sure this might will help you a lot if you are having the same problem. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, tada, bye bye.